Hello, my name is Sofia and I'm a rising fourth-year student studying neuroscience and French. I'm from Spring, Texas, which is North Houston, and I plan on attending medical school after graduation. In the Freshman Research Initiative, I'm part of the Bioactive Molecules stream, which focuses on the design and synthesis of small molecules that exhibit high affinity and specificity for select macromolecules. It is synthetic organic chemistry research. So that's a little bit about my lab, and now I want to explain to you my process and my love for this Freshman Research Initiative program. I decided to join the Bioactive Molecules stream because I was never exposed to organic chemistry in high school. I was exposed to biology and chemistry and physics, and I did a couple experiments in those labs, but I really wanted to challenge myself with something that I was never exposed to, start from fresh. Because of that, I toured the lab, and when I toured the lab, I really liked the community that they had. Everyone was very friendly, they asked each other questions, they were talking amongst themselves, and it really seemed like a community that I would fit into. So I got chosen to be in that lab, and I absolutely fit in. Everyone was super nice, I had a lot of fun, I met so many nice people that I'm still friends with, and because I loved it so much, I continued after my 2 semesters of research as a peer mentor, and it's been one of the best decisions I have made while at UT. Participating in the Freshman Research Initiative program has been, like I said, one of the best decisions I have made because it's very uncommon for freshmen to participate in research their freshman year. You'll notice maybe your friends at other universities that they won't participate in research until their junior or senior year, but this program really enables you to do that. They fully immerse you in research starting your 2nd semester, and then you can continue on from there. But one of the most important things that I learned while in this program is that I love research. And because of that, it was really easy for me to transition from that lab to a faculty lab at Dell Med School where I can do neuroscience research. In contrast, some of my friends realized that they didn't like research, and that's completely fine. You really have to try things for yourself in order to make a decision. But because they realized that they don't like research, they still learned valuable skills that they later use to get an internship or even to get a job, and employers really like those skills that you learn from research. Through the FRI program, I mainly learned time management, teamwork, and resilience. Research in general can be very frustrating at times. You do an experiment, it doesn't work out, you do it again, and it doesn't work out, and you just have to go back and think about what you did wrong. But that makes your successes that much better. In my lab, we had to write a couple of lab reports and keep an updated journal, and sometimes it was a little hard because I had a lot of stuff to do, but it was very important that we did that because when I got into my upper division neuroscience labs, we had to do a lab report every week. And because I already had those skills and I solidified how to write an effective lab report and get my ideas concisely on a paper, it was really easy for me to write a weekly lab report. I truly believe that this program has prepared me for medical school. The lab experiences I applied are highly looked upon for med schools because you learn quantitative analysis skills. It's going back, looking at what you did wrong, thinking again, trying again, and it's just that resilience that really builds character. I hope that through this video you learned that I love this program, and I hope that you apply to this program and you participate in it. This program is made to fit anyone. There's so many different research streams, and there will surely be a stream that fits your interest. And even if it doesn't, just try one out and see how it is. The last thing I want to mention is how wonderful the friends and mentors you get to meet in this program are. One of the main reasons I have loved being in the Freshman Research Initiative program is because of the people that I met. They come from all different kinds of backgrounds, both culturally and scientifically, and really want you to be your best self. They intellectually stimulate me, make me laugh all the time, help me figure out what I did wrong, and mainly be there for me. And when you join a lab, it's also you join a community, and it's a great community to be a part of. My biggest advice to you all is to get out of your comfort zone. Join a lab that makes you curious, something that you've never heard of before or never knew there was research in that field. I promise you it will be worth it. I hope to see you all in the 40 acres and hook 'em horns.